Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve problem 26 from the 2017 Math Kangaroo grades 5 to 6. Here's the problem. A bag contains only red marbles and green marbles. For any 5 marbles we pick, at least 1 is red. For any 6 marbles we pick, at least 1 is green. What's the largest number of marbles the bag can contain? So there's a bag here, and inside the bag there's going to be some red marbles. And we don't know how many. I'm just drawing a random number. And some green marbles. And we want to know, given these constraints, what's the largest number of marbles that we can have in here. So what are the constraints? Well, we know that somebody is going to reach into this bag and pull out a marble. And they're going to pull out 5 marbles. And we know that at least one of them has to be red. So what does it mean that at least one is going to be red? That no matter what, even in the most unlucky situation, one has to be red. For example, if we pick out marbles and we start out picking only green ones because that's what is coming, and we're trying to get a red, but we're only picking out green ones because we don't know what we're going to pick. Well, we can even pick all the green ones, and then at some point after we pick out all the green ones, there's going to be a red. So there has to be less than 5 green marbles. Otherwise, we could just pick out 5 green marbles, and then there wouldn't be a red one. And we are trying to have the largest number of marbles. So we're not going to want there to just be 1 green marble, because that makes the total number of marbles smaller. So we're going to say there's 4 green marbles, which is the most number of green marbles we can have. So we have 4 green marbles here. And if we pick out 5 marbles, we could have 4 greens and a red. Or some of these greens could also be red. But in the worst case scenario, this is what we'll have. Then we know, similarly, that if we pick out 6 marbles, at least 1 is going to be green. So for the same reason, this means that we cannot have more than 5 red marbles, because for picking out all the red marbles, we have to be able to get another green one after all the red marbles in that 6. So again, we want to maximize the number of red marbles so we can maximize the total number of marbles. So we're going to want them to be exactly 5. So right now we have 4 here, but there would be a 5th red marble here. And now we know, no matter what, any 5 marbles we take out are going to have at least 1 red, since there's only 4 greens, and any 6 are going to have at least 1 green, since there's only 5 reds. So this fits the conditions, and we have as many as we can of each kind. And so the total number of marbles here is 4 plus 5, 9 marbles. The answer is C. Thank you.